If you have ever dreamed of growing your YouTube channel without own face, then this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tools so that you can make sure that your videos reach more people, get more views, and generate more income. Welcome to our YouTube channel and another video. Today, I'm going to share with you the secrets of YouTube automation so you won't have to spend countless hours on tasks like search for keywords with low competition, writing scripts, editing video and thumbnails, optimizing YouTube tags, and so much more. This system is easy to use and will make sure your channel gets the attention it deserves. So grab a coffee, sit back, and get ready to learn how YouTube automation can transform your channel's success. Keyword search tool. Picture this: you're trying to master the art of YouTube automation. You've got killer content, a solid script, and a killer AI editing software, but something's still missing. Answer: a keyword search tool. With this baby by your side, you'll be able to unlock the secrets to ranking higher on YouTube's search results. It's like having a secret weapon that nobody else knows about. Plus, it's so easy to use. All you have to do is enter your topic and bam, you'll have a bunch of relevant keywords at your fingertips. With this tool in your arsenal, you'll be able to crush the competition and dominate the world of YouTube. So go forth, my friend, and conquer. By the way, I am using the Vidiq for this, and I am so satisfied. Vidiq powerful keyword search tool enhances your content research and optimization. It's the perfect way to discover popular topics and phrases related to your niche. Once you've identified what works, you can use the data to create or edit titles, descriptions, and tags that will maximize your visibility on YouTube. The Vidiq keyword search feature is also easy to use and can help you optimize your videos for search engine rankings. Let's start with Vidiq and searching keywords. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Log into your Vidiq account and select the keyword search button. Enter the keywords you want to track, such as the title of your video. Our video topic will be about the Pictory AI. Click search to start tracking your keywords on YouTube. Monitor the related keywords, matching terms, search volume, and competition. Script writing. Script writing can be an integral part of the YouTube content creation process. It's important to create scripts that are engaging and well-written so viewers stay tuned in. To make sure your videos have maximum impact, you might consider working with a professional script writer, or let the AI writing for you. It's time to talk about the magic of AI script writing and its role in the world of YouTube automation. No more endless hours spent writing scripts or staring vacantly at your computer screen while waiting for inspiration to strike. With the power of AI, your script game just got a major upgrade. From generating catchy headlines to crafting engaging storylines, AI script writing is revolutionizing the way YouTube content is produced. So sit back, relax, and let the robots take over. After all, they're basically our overlords anyway, right? Just kidding. Please don't take over, AI friends. There are several AI script writing softwares available to YouTube content creators. One of the widely acclaimed platforms is Jasper AI, favored by many. This software uses natural language processing and machine learning to generate highly personalized scripts for videos. Additionally, Jasper AI can help you edit existing scripts or create captivating stories from scratch in minutes. It's a great option for content creators with limited writing experience. Another popular AI script writing software is Rytr AI. This software helps you generate compelling scripts for videos and provides additional features such as sentiment analysis, keyword suggestion, and content optimization. With Rytr's AI capabilities, you can generate scripts that are tailored to the interests of your target viewers in a fraction of the time it would take to write them yourself. These two AI scripting software are my favorite. They provided great features to automate the video script writing process. An additional benefit of AI scripting software is its ability to quickly generate multiple versions of a script, allowing you to experiment with different approaches and find the one that works best for your videos. This can help you stay one step ahead of the competition by giving you an edge when it comes to let's write video script with Rytr. Rytr's intuitive interface creating an AI-powered script has never been easier. Here is a step-by-step guide to get you started. Log into your Rytr account and select the Create New Script button. Choose the type of video you are writing a script for, such as explainers, Pictory AI review, and tutorial. Provide the video information such as language and voice tone. Enter the primary keyword you want to include in your script. Select the Generate Script button to let Rytr's AI take care of the rest. Review the generated script and make any adjustments needed. Finally, click Export to save your script as a Word or PDF file for further editing and distribution. By following these steps, you will be able to quickly generate high-quality scripts that are tailored to the interests of your target audience. With Jasper and Rytr AI scripting softwares, you can create engaging videos faster and easier than ever before. Now we have researched keywords, title, and video script. The next step is video editing. Have you heard of AI text-to-video software? Not only does it take the legwork out of creating video content, but it can even give you a faceless channel. That's right. No need to look camera ready or worry about that one strand of hair that just won't stay in place. While we can't promise it's the solution to all your video making woes, it's definitely something to consider if you're looking to up your automation. AI text-to-video software is revolutionizing the YouTube. No more boring text-only videos that make you want to fall asleep. Now, with the help of this cutting-edge technology, your videos can finally get the makeover they deserve. You'll be able to add stunning visuals, impressive animations, and engaging voiceovers to your content in no time. Talk about automation at its finest. With just a few clicks, you can turn your channel into a must-watch destination for all your viewers. So why settle for mediocrity when you can soar to new heights with this game-changing tech? Get on board the AI train and watch your channel take off. Let's continue with Pictory, which I also use as an example of text-to-video software. Pictory is the perfect balance of creativity and automation, combining text-to-video with a library of stunning visuals to make your videos truly captivating. With this intuitive interface and AI-powered editing tools, it's never been easier to create high-quality videos. And best of all, you can do it in minutes. No need to spend hours learning complex video editing. If you're anything like me, you're no stranger to the art of procrastination. And what better way to procrastinate than by turning your written content into a snazzy video? If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then a video must be worth 1,000,000. But what if you don't have any video footage to work with? Fear not, my friends. For in the world of technology, there's always a solution. But which software is best for this feat? Enter the text-to-video software, the ultimate tool for turning your written words into moving pictures. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the best one. But fear not, dear viewers, for I have scoured the internet to bring you the cream of the crop. And among the top contenders is the illustrious Pictory, user-friendly platform that can turn any script into a stunning visual masterpiece. So go forth and conquer the world of video with Pictory and your keyboard as your trusty sidekick. Well, look no further, because Pictory is the answer to your prayers. Not only does it have an easy-to-use interface, but it also offers a variety of templates to fit your specific needs. Say goodbye to boring text and hello to vibrant visuals by using Pictory, the coolest kid on the text-to-video software block. We have a script, and let's make a text-to-video with Pictory. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on using Pictory AI. Log into your Pictory account and select the script to video. Upload your script. Pictory AI offers a range of artistic styles that you can apply to your script. Take some time to explore the different options and choose the style that best suits your needs. You can experiment with different styles to see which one gives you the desired effect. Choose your style. Once you're satisfied with the style and settings, click on the Generate button to start processing your script. Pictory AI will work its magic and transform your original script into stunning pieces of artwork. You may have the option to adjust various settings such as cut, trim, and revision. The next step is voiceover. You can upload your own voice, or you can create from the voiceovers that the Pictory offers you. Play around with these settings to fine-tune the output and achieve the desired look for your videos. After the processing is complete, you'll be able to view a video preview of your transformed scripts. If you're happy with the results, you can download them in high resolution and use them for various purposes like social media posts, websites, print materials, or YouTube. You can also share them directly from the platform to platforms like Facebook or Twitter. When it comes to creating custom thumbnails, Canva is the gift that keeps on giving. This versatile design platform is like the Swiss Army knife of graphic design tools, allowing you to slice, dice, and layer your way to the perfect thumbnail. Whether you're promoting a new blog post or trying to boost your YouTube views, Canva has got you covered. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and endless array of customizable templates, you'll be churning out eye-catching thumbnails in no time. So get ready to unleash your inner Picasso, or Bob Ross if that's more your style, and dive into the wonderful world of thumbnail design with Canva. Now you're done. Finally, your video is ready for publishing YouTube. Don't forget to include relevant keywords and hashtags in your video's title, description, and tags sections so that more people can discover your videos. With the help of automation tools like Pictory AI, Vidiq, Rytr, and Canva, you can easily create amazing visuals for all your projects without spending too much time. So get started today and create amazing, eye-catching videos that will make your audience fall in love. Thank you all for watching. In today's video, we've researched and provided valuable information on how to automate your YouTube without your own face. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay updated with more exciting videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing to my channel, you'll never miss out on the latest information, tips, and entertainment. Join our community of like-minded individuals and let's embark on this journey together. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more amazing content.